Coming to question 19, we have to mark the odd one out here. Now, it actually throws a lot of terms at you, right? Marxist universalism failed, okay. Then first Marxist universalism failed, then liberal universalism failed. So we'll see the other sentences talk about these two universalisms or not. And we find that yes, there is a sentence talking about these two competing universalisms. Communism on one side, which is what has been called as Marxist universalism here, and liberalism on the other. So 3 and 1 appear to be related, and because they appear to be related, probably neither is the odd one out. Okay. Then over the last 2 decades, however, this opposition, which opposition? These two competing universalisms. So I'm saying that over the course of Cold War, these two universalisms were established, right? But then over the last few decades, this opposition has scrambled. First, this universalism failed, and then this universalism also began to falter. So I think 3, 5, 1 makes for a neat sequence, and because of that, none of these is the odd one out. It comes down to 2 and 4. Okay, 4 talks about international political economy, and if you see here, we are talking about the it's on about it on an international scale only, right? Economic nationalism. So we are talking about economy. These are political terms: communism, liberalism. We are talking about politics, and we are talking about various nations here: Sino-Soviet split, right? Donald Trump. So this appears to be related, while trade wars does not seem to be the issue which is being discussed here. It does not match the theme of my discussion, which is not trade wars. It's about different types of political economies, how two competing political economies emerged and then they failed. Right? So in around 1939, debates changed. Two universalisms came about during Cold War. However, lately this has scrambled. First this failed and then that failed. And this is unrelated. That is why it is the odd one out. I would call this a moderate question. It's not exactly very easy. You have to actually understand these terms well, okay, and then relate them. And on a certain level, you might feel that, okay, Cold War happened later, so how is this 1939 date related? However, this is more unrelated, okay, and whereas this one is strongly related because of international political economy. So that's why a moderate question, a moderate odd one out.